Hello, I'm Dr. Max, and we're here today in Hair by Dr. Max Restoration Center in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We actually just opened a brand new center right by the ocean, and we'll have a separate video just with a description. We have Tatiana. She had her procedure exactly a year ago. She's here today for her follow-up, and usually 12 months follow-up. We do check the pictures before and after, and she's kind enough just to hold it here so we can see pretty striking difference right away. We also do the microanalysis at that time, and we do the final PRP treatment. It's part of the overall strategy that we use to get the best results possible. It's not only the surgery but also the follow-ups, PRP treatments, medications. So we're trying to address hair loss from every perspective, every direction possible. So Tatiana, how have you been doing for the last 12 months since your surgery?
It was definitely a journey, but I feel like everybody here in the office was very supportive, and anything I needed, I was, provided. And I just think now it's given me such a boost in self-confidence. I'm able to just wash my hair, wake up, go about my day, which is such a difference from before, and it's been truly, truly life-changing.
Great. So as you can see, this is where we started here, and we can bring the bigger image now. And this is as of today. We were able to accomplish with only 1,300 grafts, but it was targeted to those areas with the thinning. Okay, with any androgenetic type of hair loss, it's not only important to have a procedure, but also to develop a treatment regimen, because hair loss is a chronic condition. It will never stop. It's just like diabetes, asthma, any chronic disease require chronic type of therapy. And that's exactly what we do, right?
I feel like everything pre-op and post-op was explained clearly. The day of the procedure went really well. I was comfortable. You guys made sure I had everything I needed. The recovery, especially after doing the hyperbaric oxygen treatment, it was really good. It was easy, I would say, and everything was laid out clear for me, so I kind of knew what to expect.
Great. So pain was well controlled, right?
Yes, definitely.
Okay. How was important to you the fact that we're probably the only hair restoration center where the surgeon does the entire procedure, not only part of it or supervisory? So was this factor important to you?
It was the biggest factor when I was doing research on places of where I wanted to get my hair procedure done, when I saw that it was specifically you doing it.
Yes.
And I had seen so many before and afters on the website, especially I saw that you have done a lot of women as well.
Right.
It made me feel so much more comfortable, and knowing that, someone very skilled was going to be doing my procedure for me made me feel a lot more comfortable and confident in the results.
The entire procedure is not very straightforward. There's a lot of steps, there are a lot of things going on, and being as a surgeon present 100% of the time with the patient and actually overlooking everything what was going on around, okay? And that was very important to me as my professional involvement. I think that's essential to the overall success of the procedure. And we can see based on the results, I think we got 100% of the grafts survived. And because we optimized the medical therapy, we also protecting the existing hair from miniaturization and androgenetic hair loss. So what do you think? What do you recommend to other women experiencing hair loss?
Definitely. I would 100% recommend to come here and just, follow the regimen, use your hair serum, make sure you're doing everything the way you should be supposed to be doing, and it works out. It really worked out for me. It's been truly life-changing.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.